Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Technical Stuff. This is Ijlal Hussain with another lesson on Arduino programming. In the last lesson, we learned how to make three different LEDs blink using for loop. In this lesson, we'll do the same job but using while loop. So let's see how while loop works. So I have written a simple sketch for making three different LEDs blink here. On the top of the sketch here, I have given the syntax for the while loop. While loop begins with its name, and then we have parentheses. In these parentheses, we have the test expression, and then we have the code in the two curly braces. Now this while loop is going to test the test expression given inside these parentheses. When this test expression is true, this code is going to run. When this test expression is false, the loop is going to terminate and the control will pass to the next line. Now outside our two basic functions, I have declared some global variables for declaring the pins, for assigning the pins, and some on and off time for three different LEDs. Then in the word setup loop, I have made all of these pins output pins, which are pin 13, 12 and 11. Now inside the while loop, here we have written the code for making three different LEDs blink. Now here, first of all, we have declared a local type variable that now initially we have the value of I, that is 1. This while loop is going to test the expression I is 1 and 1 is less than 5. This means this test expression is true. If this test expression is true, the code written in these two curly braces is going to run. Now here what will happen? Our previous value will be incremented, I will be 2, and then this code will run. Then LED will blink. For the second time, I is 2 and still I is less than 5. Again this code will run. For the third time, I will be 3. Again the test expression is true. This code is going to run. For the third time, it will be 4 and then it will be 5. After 5, now 5 is less than or equal to 5. Again this is true. LED will blink. And for the next step, when I is 6, the test expression is going to false. Now when this expression is false, this loop will be ended. The loop will end and the next loop, that is for the red LED, this is going to run in the same way as this loop has run. Similarly, after the termination of the second loop, our third loop will run and third LED will start blinking for 5 times. Now let us simulate this code in the Proteus. For that we have to extract the hex file. Now go to verify tab here, press this button. It is going to compile. Done compilation. Compiling. Now copy the hex file location from down below here like this. Control C, copy, then go to Proteus. Now this is the previous setup. We have Arduino and three different LEDs connected on three different pins 13, 12 and 11. Now upload the sketch here by double clicking on it. Paste the line here, Control V. Press OK. Now after execution, you will see that all of these three LEDs are going to blink 5 times. So let's see. Now this is going to blink for 5 times and then this will blink, red LED will blink, and third time yellow LED is going to blink for 5 times. So this means each loop is working. Now let's check this again. Simulate it. This is going to blink for 5 times. As these LEDs are blinking quite fast because we have given the on and off time only 200 milliseconds. So you can change this on and off time from here. You can change this time, these milliseconds, and you can see clearly the blinking of these LEDs. So this is how we can use a while loop in place of for loop. So this is it for today. Thanks for watching. Like my videos, do comment below and subscribe my channel.